Hey guys! Another vlog today. Magti-trip shopping kami. May ganun klaseng hair to. Merong bagong bukas na trip shop dito. Malapit lang siya sa bahay namin. And ayun na siya agad. It's right there. Is it open?
Well, there's lights on.
So, magti-trip shop kami guys kasi may trip kami next week ng Leavenworth. So, kailangan ko ng tawag dito, snow boots and titingin din ako ng puff na jacket. So, nasa na ba yun? Ito. Ito yung pangalan niya. So, it's nice, it's clean.
The prices are way better than.
Yeah, it's like $5, $7. Maganda yung trip shop guys, kaso wala siya masyadong option, bago lang kasi. And malilinis yung mga tinda nila. Hindi ako nakapag-talk kanina sa loob kasi may music. So hindi natin siya malalagay sa YouTube. Makaka-copyright yung video. And yes, kaya pala kami nagti-trip shop kasi meron kaming trip next week. Road trip! Woo! Meron kaming trip sa Leavenworth. Nung
Snow time.
it's last November, I've been asking you to go to the snow. So, ngayon na kami pupunta guys kasi after na ng holidays. So, wala na masyadong tao doon. Yung lugar kasi na yun para siyang Christmas village, right?
Yeah. It's a Bavarian village up in the mountains.
So, ayun guys. So, pupunta lang kami sa mga trip shop kasi kailangan ko ng winter boots. I don't really need it, but if there's one, I'll get it. But if none, I'll just use my regular shoes. And titingin din ako ng jacket kasi wala akong puff na jacket. So, yun lang. Samahan niyo ako today. Not my style though. Wala akong machika. Pakita ko na lang sa inyo kung ano yung itsura dito sa lugar namin. Oh, we can go to Burlington.
That's where we're going.
Oh, okay. So, punta kami ng Burlington, guys. Yung Burlington, ano siya, yung parang, hindi siya parang SM eh, para siyang, tawag dito, alam niyo yung mga Chinese. Pero dito kasi bawal yung mga fake. So, doon ako nakabili ng shoes before na napakamura lang. And, mga perfumes, mga original perfumes na nasa $10, $20. Kasama rin pala namin yung aming pet. And social siya, naka-car seat pa siya dyan. Ako dapat yung magdadrive kasi gusto ko mag-vlog. Kapag nagdadrive ako, hindi ako makapag-vlog. Kinakabahan ako mag-drive. So, ayun siya guys. Ganito yung itsura sa amin. Ayan. Medyo maulan today, pero buti na lang tumigil siya. Ganito yung itsura dito sa amin. If I go straight, this is going to the Costco, right?
Oo.
Yeah. So, hindi ko pa talaga siya memorize yung daan. Pero ayan siya guys. Very, ano siya, winter. Walang mga dahon yung mga puno ngayon. And dun tayo pupunta. Where is it? Oh, there. Ayun siya guys. There. Burlington.
Originally, that was a grocery store.
Oh, there's a buffet
Oh,
here.
it's the dirtiest one in town. It always fails to clean.
It's busy though.
They started out selling coats.
Burlington.
Burlington Coat Factory.
So, ayan guys. Sama ko na lang kayo sa loob para makita nyo kung ano yung itsura niya. I like the high ceiling.
It was the nicest grocery store. in
Oh,
town.
this is the one that they check you before you come in.
No, that's up north, not this one.
Ah, okay. Okay, we don't need a cart. 75% off.
It's a heart globe, see?
We don't need that. Okay. Dito ako bumili ng perfume before, guys. Ayan sila, oh. Mura lang yung pricey. Merong $12.99. Dito din ako bumili ng Ariana Grande. Nasaan na yun? Para siyang SM department store, guys. Yung atake niya. So, eto. Hanap na tayo ng winter boots. Ay, eto. Winter boots to. $26. Look.
Try them on.
What? Oh. This is Polo too. The brand.
Have to try them on.
This is 10 and a half. Eto guys, maganda siya. Pang winter talaga siya. 26.99 lang siya. So, itatry ko siya. Gusto ko na tong black na to. Right? Pero sukatin ko muna siya. Men's 11. Actually, dapat malaki para makapag-thick socks ako. Check natin to kung kasya. What do you think, guys? Black or this one? This is
the same.
actually 11. But
Try them on.
but if I'm gonna wear a thick socks, I need space. So I'm gonna try
Are
this.
those waterproof? Well, they look good.
Right? Wait.
Good. You're
Skid resistant? What's that?
the kind of traction it has on the bottom.
Oh, okay. This is $26. How much is this? This is 34. Ito yung unang option ko, yung black. Then, ito nakita ko to, size 11. Pupunta kami ng snow. Magmamakapal ako na makapal na socks. Feel ko ito na lang. And it looks so stylish. So, I might get this one. So, I'm not sure guys kung waterproof siya. Pero, meron daw spray para maging waterproof. So, this is $34.99. Ay, ang gaganda ng mga shoes na ito. Actually, ang dami ko ng shoes sa bahay. Hindi ko masyadong nasusuot yung iba. Pero nakaka-addict mag-collect. Mag-collect ng mag-collect. Oh, I like this. Magkano to? Oh, $40. Pero ang ganda nyo. Adidas, $40. So, ayan guys. Final na yung... Ay, ang ganda nito. $40 na Reebok. Kaso size 9. Look at this one. It's like a Gucci, but it's Guess. Ganda rin nito. Ay! Ang cute nito. Look at this one. See? For home. It looks like Gucci. $40 though. Ang ganda nito. Kaso $40. Para siyang Gucci. Pero guess, size 11. Mahal nga lang siya. So it's a no. $40. Well, mine is final.
This is more like
I'm getting this.
better for trails, though.
Yeah, not snow. You need this. You need...
Look,
Okay.
so I can wear these to work too. They have a steel toe,
Okay.
so I can get dual purpose.
So, ito yung sa akin, guys. Final na to. Yung sa kanya yung black. Pwede daw niya magamit sa work. Ewan ko, guys. Simula nang dumating ako dito sa US, parang lumaki yung paa ko. Para siyang nag-adjust. Siguro sa mga kinakain ko din dito. Kaya yung ibang shoes ko, pinadala ko na sa Pinas. Pinamigay ko na sa brother ko.
See, Sesame Street socks.
I just got socks from, what do you call that? Army, Navy.
Yeah, but do you have? Do we?
I have,
We have enough thick ones, right?
yeah, I have like a heat, the one that we got from
Are they
Costco.
electric?
No, I have electric one if you want. Show them what you got.
These are work boots. They actually have a steel toe,
Okay,
and they
And
have traction.
yeah. Mine.
So I'll use these for the snow, but these will end up being work boots.
Marami na rin akong sombrero, pero check lang natin magkano. $8. Mura lang din yung mga sombrero here. So, meron na ako napili and eto siya, Goodyear yung brand. Good for snow kasi may mga ganyan siya. Last time na nagpunta kami sa Leavenworth, wala akong pang snow na shoes and lagi ako nadudulas. So, perfect na to.
Oh, these look great on you. Or how about these for around the house? Ernie would love it. He'd have dogs to play with.
Yeah, we have one.
That kind of style?
We have one in the car.
That are heavy enough?
Yeah, one. But maybe upstairs we have more. Shopping daw tayo ng beanie na aking style. Let's go. Ooh, cute ito ah. Okay. Ooh, my Tommy Hilfiger. Magkano to? $13. I don't know kung magiging maganda yung looks sa akin kasi di naman talaga ako nagbibini. Pero this one looks nice. So, match ba siya? Kunin ba natin to? Ano ba yung pwedeng mag-match dito? Okay na siguro to. Black and this one. Tommy Hilfiger. And ganito yung loob niya. Oh. I'm pretty sure na warm to kasi para siyang blanket sa loob. I think I'm just gonna get this one. Perfect na to.
You should try on some gloves.
Look at this one.
Oh, that's
Right?
That's how you like it.
And this is only...
He likes it because it's fuzzy inside.
Yes! And it's only $13.
What about matching? If these are on sale, you have to try them on though.
Wait lang. Mura din yung mga pants nila, Hero. $14. $13. Oh, may $7 po. But it's skinny jeans. I don't wear skinny jeans anymore. Sobrang mura na ng mga skinny jeans, oh. Kasi hindi na sila uso. Ano na lang, oh, $6. Grabe, ang mura nito. So, meron akong nakitang jacket here. Calvin Klein. Large. Try natin siya. Dati siyang $225. Ngayon is $60 na lang. So, try natin. It's kind of big.
The mediums are down there. It's too big. Unless you like it looking too big. That's way too big.
Do they have mirror?
You could wear my jackets and stuff.
Here's my thing. Oh, Lord. What do you think?
I think it's too big. You
Right.
like that look? Try on the medium
Yeah.
piece and see if
Okay,
you
I'm
like
gonna
it
try
better.
the green one. Just to try. It can be my spring jacket. $25. How large? It's the same one. So try natin tong isa. This is more like a spring jacket. Parang, wait, tignan ko muna sa
Now
salamin.
that looks good big. Yeah.
Kunin ba natin to, guys? Comment down below. Charot. Kukunin ko ba to? Wait lang, try ko yung smaller size nung jacket na isa. Ang daming maganda here.
Hey, here's the three available. That style. Brown
Ay, shit.
or black.
What size?
Mediums. See, this is the all leather version, but this is true bomber because you always say bomber jacket has that.
But I also like...
But I like it when
yeah.
it's real leather like mine's.
I like this
'Cause that
one.
doesn't wear out. These sometimes will get, you know, little rolls of fabric.
Is this fake leather, right?
Well, no, it's leather, but probably PU leather.
How much?
$60.
bucks.
You gonna try them on?
It's too much weight.
You
Bit-
wanted a bomber jacket. This is a good deal. Then it's regular price of 200.
Wait lang. So, try natin tong Calvin Klein. Ang ganda kasi nito kahit $60 siya. So, tignan natin siya sa mirror.
Oh, see that
Kunin ba
it's
natin
still a
to?
little long, like you want it.
Yeah.
That fits good.
And the shoulder.
Yeah. And
Like-
that's even with a sweat jacket.
Yeah. Think I'm gonna get this.
You like brown or black?
I'm torn between. I think I'm gonna get the brown. Just so I have other color.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna get this one. Dati siyang $225. Ngayon ay $60.
Now, get these to go with it. Look in the mirror. See how nice that is.
Yung sira ulo. Okay, kunin din natin to. Ito na yung situation natin ngayon. Medyo marami-rami na yung na-add to cart. Pero tingin pa tayo here. Baka may magustuhan pa tayo. Yung gusto ko kasing bilhin guys, yung parang ganito siya pero parang crop. Para siyang crop na jacket. Pero parang wala siya. Ah, wait lang. Parang mas maganda to. $80 lang. Ay, large nga lang siya. Michael Kors. Magkano tong Michael Kors na to? Ah, ang ganda din nito. Ano ba yan? Ang ganda din nito. $70. Wait. I changed my mind on the jacket. Look at this. This is more.
You tell me you've been looking for a bomber jacket.
But
That's
look,
all you talk about.
but look at this winter. It's my style too.
Try it on.
You can't. It's tied.
Yeah, you gotta ask for help.
How do you do that?
You gotta find an associate. No, you can still try it on from here. You just
Mm.
gotta be close to it.
It's the same size, medium.
It's like a Letterman jacket,
Right, but it's fashion.
but oh, DKNY New York. Now he's ready to go to New York.
Yes.
So you've been asking about bomber jacket for years.
But this is more stylish. Look, I'm gonna be stylish. Right?
Your call.
I like this. So, and guys, tapos na tayong mag-shopping. Naka-isang trip shop lang kami sa Burlington. Nandun na lahat, brand new. And napaka-cheap. Hindi siya actually cheap. Umabot ng $230 yung bill namin. $230.
3 coats, 2 boots, 2 gloves, 1 hat,
And
a
gloves.
partridge in a pear tree.
So, ayun guys, pauwi na kami ng bahay and pakita ko na lang sa inyo mamaya yung mga napamili ko. Ang daming option, ang dami kong pinili, ang daming beses kong nag-change mind. Pero go, see you sa bahay. Hey guys, nakauwi na kami. So, itatry ko na yung mga napamili namin kanina. First, etong brown, dark brown siya, hindi siya black, na jacket. Calvin Klein.
He's only been asking for a bomber jacket for like, what, 3 years?
So, what can you say, guys? Is it giving? Giving naman siya, di ba? Ang ganda niya. Ang ganda ng fit. Sana maganda rin yung pagkaka-video. Di ko kasi alam kung saan ako magpepesto. Pero eto siya. Right? Maganda siya. Magkano lang to? Dati siyang $225. Nabili lang namin siya ng $60. $59.99. Try naman natin yung isa. Ito naman yung isa, Broken Threads. Hindi ako familiar sa brand na to. Pero cute siya. Parang leather to. Yung kanyang sleeves. Okay. Okay, maganda rin siya, no? Dati siyang $80. Nakuha na lang namin siya ng $24.99. Ang ganda niya, bagay siya sa suot ko ngayon. Right? Okay, next. Ito yung pinaka-paborito ko sa mga binili namin. Pakita muna natin yung back details. And then yung front. Meron siya nakalagay na D for the brand na DKNY. Perfect. Suotin natin siya. I love it! I love it. Dati siyang $295. Nakuha namin siya ng, is this $80, right?
Yes.
And $80 na lang siya. Halos more than 50% off. Ayun, $70. 69.99. Ito yung brand niya. And ganito siya. Ito yung pinaka nagustuhan ko. Meron siyang hoodie para hindi ko na kailangan mag-earmuff pag malamig. Yes! Ang ganda niya. Try natin siyang i-zip. Oh my God. It's giving. I love it. Warm siya. Perfect siya sa aming trip next week. So next week, magbablog tayo sa Leavenworth. Look at it. It's so nice. I love it. Okay, pakita ko pa sa inyo yung mga ibang binili namin. Meron din akong biniling beanie, guys. Ano lang to? $13. Tommy Hilfiger siya. Ito yung nagustuhan ko. Yung gantong texture. Pati yung aming beddings. Ganito rin yung texture. And let's see kung bagay ko siya. Let's see. Oh my God, bagay siya. I love it. Ang ganda niya. And meron din kami biniling mga gloves and shoes. So, eto yung nabili kong shoes. Ito yung brand niya. Parang familiar tong brand na to. Parang motor ba to? Parang nakikita ko to sa Pinas. Ano lang to? $34.99. And then itong gloves, magkano to? I don't know magkano tong gloves. Wala siyang price. Pero maganda siya, guys, kasi leather yung ano niya, yung dito sa palad. And ito yung shoes. Ito yung kailangan sa snow, yung rough yung baba. So, ito siya. Match naman siya sa mga binili kong outfit. Kaya, perfect siya. And last, guys, ito, pangbalikbayan box. Yung sa aking pamangkin, makeup, and dress. Naka-sale to kasi dati siyang two-piece set. Isa na lang siya. So, magkano to? I don't know, $2 na lang yata to kaya binili namin siya. Ito siya and makeup for kids. So, kung natatapusin ng vlog na to, medyo mahaba yung vlog natin. 40 minutes kami sa loob ng store na yun and nag-record lang ako. So, edit muna ako and see you on my next vlog. Sana gusto niyo yung mga gantong vlog, yung mga normal days namin dito sa Amerika. And, okay guys, kung may mga suggestion or may mga gusto kayong i-vlog ko dito, comment nyo lang dyan and see you on my next one. Bye-bye!